Hello children, I am going to discuss the factors leading to the growth of nationalism and the foundation of the Indian National Congress. First of all, I would like to discuss the forerunners of the Indian National Congress. The people who came before it are called as forerunners. The East India Association was founded by Dadabhai Navroji in 1866. Its aim was to provide the members of the British Parliament information regarding India's genuine grievances. Grievances means problems. It recommended the abolition of cotton duties and petitioned the government to withdraw the Vernacular Press Act. Pune Sarvajanik Sabha. Justice Ranade started it in 1870. It asked the people to wear khadi and not to wear foreign clothes. The Indian Association. It was started by Surendranath Banerjee. Its aim was to unite the Indians on the basis of common political interests. It aimed to promote brotherly feelings among the Hindus and Muslims. It launched a campaign against the Vernacular Press Act and the Arms Act. Indian National Conference. The Indian National Conference was the pre-runner of the Indian National Congress. It was merged with the Indian National Congress in 1886. The founding of the Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress was founded in 1885 under the presidency of W.C. Banerjee. A.O. Hume also played a major role in the formation of the Indian National Congress. A.O. Hume is regarded as the father of the Indian National Congress. You can see a picture of A.O. Hume. You can also see a picture of W.C. Banerjee.
Indian National Congress.
Now I am going to discuss the objectives of the Indian National Congress. The first objective was to enable a national workers from all parts of India to become personally known to each other. The second objective was to end all racial, religious and provincial prejudices and promote a feeling of national unity among all. Third, the formulation of popular demands on vital Indian problems and their presentation before the government, to train and organize public opinion in the country. The second session of the Congress was held in Calcutta under the presidency of Dadabhai Navroji. Its third session was held in Madras. Demands of the Congress: the expansion of the legislative councils, reduction of military expenditure, holding of civil service exam in India and England, spread of general and technical education, wider employment of Indians in the higher services, the people's right to carry arms, the appointment of a royal commission to inquire into the working of Indian administration.